In this video, we'll walk you through the Mailchimp integration add-on, a simple yet powerful way to automatically add quiz or survey participants to your Mailchimp audience. Whether you're running a lead generation quiz or collecting feedback, this integration helps you seamlessly grow your email list and engage with your audience through targeted campaigns. To begin, make sure you have the Mailchimp add-on available in your system. This is a crucial initial step. If you don't have it already, you can purchase the Mailchimp add-on from the QSM pricing page. It comes clubbed with other add-ons. You can purchase the add-on bundle that suits your requirement. The Mailchimp add-on is available with the Plus, Pro, and All Access plans. To configure Mailchimp integration, first navigate to QSM in your dashboard, then click on Quizzes and Surveys. Select the quiz you want to configure and click Edit. On the quiz editing page, click the Contact tab. Ensure the name and email fields are enabled for the contact form. Click Save Contact Form to apply changes. Next, go to the Add-ons tab and select Mailchimp. Enable Mailchimp integration by selecting Yes. The add-on has various other options that you can enable. Choose your Mailchimp list from the drop-down menu, in this case, Marketing Giants. For the contact tag field, select Email to map the email addresses. The remaining settings can be left as default. Remember to save your changes when finished. Let's put the add-on to test. After publishing the quiz, first fill out the fitness quiz form by entering your name and email address. Next, check the Subscribe Me to your newsletter option. Proceed to answer the quiz questions by selecting the appropriate choices. Click Submit to complete the quiz. Now, switch to Mailchimp to verify the new contact. Navigate to Audience in the sidebar menu. Then click on Tags. The email address from the quiz is successfully tagged, confirming the integration.